Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of coat from Amazon and jacket. So I will show you guys. First I unbox, it's like Amazon essential jacket. I've got on sale during Christmas season, Christmas times. So I'm opening, and here it is. Let's take it out. So here is the jacket, Amazon essential, packed like this, in this nice bag. Let's open here and take it out. So here is the jacket. This is not down coat, but it's just jacket like this. I love the color, that's why I've got it. Beautiful pink color. Let's open it. It has zipper, but it's not two-way zipper. But it's still okay. So here it is, nice coat. I will show you here. It comes even with this pouch. You can pack it in a small pouch. Here it says size X large. It was $20 something, because normally it's 40 something, but it was sale. So it has cuffs, sleeves. Hood is attached. You cannot disattach it because it's normal hood. It has two pockets which are really nice here on the zipper too, and inside is pocket like this. It's not any warm inside material, but it's good because here you can also put something because it's stitched at the end. So here you can put water bottle or something small, wallet or phone, and the same is on this side. And here is that hidden pocket. I will try it on for you and for me to see how it fits. Let's see. Fit very comfortably for me. But right now I have very narrow fitting this thingy. How it's called, like thingy. So it's still keeping this jacket still have some size, but if I would, space, if I would put something like more space taking like hoodie, then it's good to have the space. So that's why I got size X large. Sleeves are perfect size, not long. Actually, maybe I will even wear it to work, because that warehouse where I work, it's so cold lately. In winter I put AC on full blast. It's blowing on me, and now I have issues with throat, and I didn't want to work today because I didn't feel well. That's why I stayed home and filming this video. Maybe I should wear this coat like this to work, but when I'm might be warm. I'll wear it without anything under. Just this. Actually, the length of this coat is also kind of long. I thought it would be a little warm. I mean, little shorter like here, but it's kind of long. Even cover the behind area. So that's good. The only thing that I could add here in this coat, this is how it looks with hood. Yeah, with hood. Hood fit nice, I like it. And only thing that it's lacking here is the cinching at the bottom, here at the bottom. Because see, nothing here cinch it down. Maybe I could put some straw, like drawstring, and make it by my side. So yeah, that's unboxing of Essential Amazon jacket. It's not the down one, it's have polyester feeling, and I think it's still good quality. And it's nice jacket. I also got another jacket, which is Amazon Essential, also in pink color, and I will unbox it. And it was also on sale during Christmas, so let's open. Let's open the bag. Bag is empty. Here it opens like so. And here it is size also X large. Ta-da! Very nice jacket. This one is really warm and it was only $40. It has those thingies, how it's called, clasps. It has nice zipper, one-way zipper, right? Unfortunately one way, but here it has even this thingy that covers zipper near your neck. Inside it's lined with this nice fleece and the vest part of the coat, because sleeves are not lined. And also at the hood, please see. Then it has, the hood is attached forever, so you cannot unclasp it. It's like ski jacket or winter one, because it's really thick. Here it has pocket inside that you can use velcros. Here is small velcro, and inside is also lined. I don't know why they lined it, because here actually you don't need it, but at least here you have two pockets and they are lined, yeah, lined with fleece, which is good in winter because it's colder outside. Also, sleeves have those endings, so cold air will not get to you. through the sleeves because it has this prolonged sleeve cuffs or sleeve rings with thumb holes. And this coat you cannot, or you cannot, unfortunately you cannot cinch it at the bottom, but I will try it on right now to see how it looks on me. This doesn't run big, I would say runs slightly even small. So if you prefer to have more space for you, I would suggest, if you prefer to wear with some additional layers, because actually this one feels little. I would say it's fine, but here is fine, and this is also fine. But if you would want more space, then you have to size up, and I got size X large. Let's zip it. So this one runs like this, covers behind, nice length. Here are nice pockets placed in perfect height of me, because see, they are perfectly placed. Oh, I'm so hot now. And it has that, you don't need actually the scarf, because this is going nicely around your neck, and then you can put hood and you're good to go. Yeah, and it's nice. Hood also cannot be cinched, but I have to check. And because this jacket is hot, I have on just with t-shirt. With t-shirt is nice. Fit nice. Like so. And like so. Even with t-shirt it's nice and warm inside. So this coat is really warm. So yeah, as you can see, there's the advantage of this coat is not ability to take hood down. I mean to disattach it, and it doesn't have cinching at the hood and the bottom. And the rest things I like. Some people would say they prefer longer coats. So then I guess it would be nice to get longer one. Shell polyester body lining, 100% polyester. Hood lining also polyester. Sleeve lining polyester. So yeah, that's all polyester. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. Hope you enjoy such unboxing videos of my coat from Amazon. Maybe I will do another video today of unboxing but shoes, and then in future we'll unbox also 2 orders from H&M. So if you want to see, subscribe, and hope you enjoy. Thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.